Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you the newly unveiled Infinix Hot 20 smartphone. This device is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor, making it a fast and efficient device for all your needs. The Hot 20 comes with a big screen, featuring a 6.82-inch IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. And HD Plus resolution. It's available in 4 stylish colors: Sonic Black, Legend White, Tempo Blue, and Fantasy Purple. This smartphone is equipped with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging at 18 watts, as well as reverse charging at 5 watts. It's also running on the latest Android 12 Plus XOS 10.6 operating system, giving you access to all the latest features and apps. The Hot 20 features a dual camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50 megapixels wide lens and a QVGA lens, along with a quad LED flash. On the front, there's a single 8 megapixels camera for all your selfie needs. This device also comes with a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm jack for easy listening and connectivity. Overall, the Infinix Hot 20 looks like a great smartphone with impressive specs and features. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Don't forget to share my videos to show your support, and feel free to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you in the next one.